What the hell, Shashank? Why the seats are going down? Do you have any plan?
हमारी सेल्स के हिसाब से बहुत गिर चुकी है। मैंने फीडबैक दिए कस्टमर से, देखा है कि जो डिलीवरी है वो बहुत धीरे हो रही है, अच्छे से आ नहीं रही है। आ भी रही है तो जितने प्रोडक्ट्स जितने भी टूटे फूटे हैं उनको कंडीशन में मिल रहे हैं। तो हमने एक आइडिया निकाला है कि हमने अब जितनी भी डिलीवरी होगी एक ड्रोन पे होगी। ये ड्रोन जितना उसे हमारे टाइम कम करेगा, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग जितना भी होगा कि डिलीवरी जितना उसमें जितनी डिस्टेंस है वो कम करेगा। हो सके तो 60 मिनट्स के अंदर डिलीवर करेगा। और जितने हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स रहेंगे वो कोई कैसे भी तरीके से गलत तरीके से कुछ भी नहीं किया, रैश कंडीशन में नहीं मिलेगा, उनको खराब कंडीशन में मिलेगा, इनको अच्छे कंडीशन में मिलेगा। हमारी सेल्स बढ़ भी सकती है प्रॉपरली इन फ्यूचर।
Do you have any other plan?
नो सर, अभी यही चल बस।
Okay. So we'll discuss and
थैंक्स।
okay, great.
Hi everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Sit. Do you know what's happening in the company?
No, sir. No, sir.
Our sales are going drastically down. What is this? Why is this happening?
Sir, our competitor has launched a new campaign. That's the reason our sales is decreasing continuously.
What they have launched?
Sir, they have launched a new product in the market.
Okay. So, what can be a good solution to this?
Can I say something?
Yes, you may go ahead.
Sir, I have done some research regarding this problem and my team came with a solution. And the solution for this problem will be a new drone delivery system. Just have a look, sir.
That sounds a great idea. What do you have any other information in this?
Yes, after doing some of our own research, we have come to the conclusion that this is an excellent idea. It can increase our work efficiency and also decrease our cost of our labor.
Okay. So, if you think we can go ahead with this idea,
Surely, sir. Of course.
okay, then let's go ahead with this one. Great news for everyone. Our sales are finally going up.
It's a huge success and it wouldn't have been possible without the innovative ideas and the leadership of Mr. Divyansh.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Divyansh. Well done.
Congratulations.
The next day.
Finally, our sales is increasing, Shashank.
व्हाट्स व्हाट न्यू इन दिस कंपनी। सब कुछ जितनी भी क्रेडिट है, जो भी हम आइडिया निकालते हैं, जो भी हम डालते हैं अपनी कंपनी में एफर्ट्स, सब बड़े मैनेजर ले लेते हैं। और हमें क्या मिलता है? सिर्फ एक 2 महीने की सैलरी। अब मैं चाहता इस कंपनी में रहूँगा, ना बोनस मिल रहा है, ना कुछ क्रेडिट मिल रहा है। अब वो क्रेडिट
Later that night.
What the hell is happening in this company? Only last month the sales was increasing. Now all opposite. Our sales are decreasing. What is the problem?
Sir, we found some evidence from the security breach.
One of our employees have leaked our data. We are going through an investigation and we'll get to the bottom of it of which employee did this.
What do you think? Who might have done this?
So we don't have any idea, but we are tracking on.
Who is that moron who did this thing?
From our investigation, we have some evidence that it is someone from the Divyansh side.
3 days later.
So did we find the culprit?
Yes, sir. With the help of security cameras, we have found out that it was Shashank Mandal, the product manager. We are taking appropriate action against it.
Action must be taken against him.
So maybe it was my mistake that I have not appreciated him for his work. So that was the reason that he has taken this extreme step regarding the against the company. So sorry for that.
We'll see him in court now.